This is a finger coupling. Its primary advantage is to be able to transmit torque and rotation across a wide range of angular misalignment. This particular coupling can actually be used while enduring variable amounts of angular misalignment, as shown in this animation. This design, at least the way I designed it or put it together, has a lot of backlash. And because of the way that it was been printed, it probably won't be able to endure a whole lot of torque or high load applications. Here is the final result. Everything here is 3D printed with the exception of the hot glue used to hold the shafts in place. You can see it has a range of motion over 90 degrees, up to the point where the two gear discs actually interfere with one another. And across that whole range of motion, it is functional. As long as those teeth, those prongs can engage, the design can work. When we attach the flywheel and we spin it by hand, it goes rather smoothly. Of course, if you used bearings, it would have run a lot smoother, but all things considered, it runs fairly well. There is a lot of backlash, but that's probably mostly to the design that I put together. Once we put the drill on here, you can see it runs fairly smoothly. There's some vibrations because things are a little bit loose. The shafts and the tolerances are a little bit loose. It's interesting to watch that contact area where the gear teeth are meshing or interfacing. And you can watch the area change as the angular misalignment is adjusted. Even at 90 degrees, it still is able to transmit the energy basically the same as when the shafts are collinear. Here's some high-speed film. You can see there are a lot of vibrations, and that's just tolerance issues and such. I guess when I look at it here, the backlash or the distance between those teeth probably account for some of those vibrations as well. So overall, is this a printable design? Is it functional? Is it worth printing or not? I'd say, yeah, this is definitely something that you can print. Just keep in mind what you're going to use it for, and it should do just fine for specific applications. I've been inspired to learn more about mechanical design by retired mechanical engineer and YouTuber Thang010146. His YouTube channel has over 3,000 mechanical animations that he created himself, and he's constantly creating new ones almost daily. I've been a fan for a while now, and I would like to challenge myself to recreate some of his designs and 3D print them to see how well they function out of a printer. He's a genius. You gotta check him out if you're interested.